Today we're going to be showing you how to put your spare tire in your 2015 Ford Edge. We have our spare tire out and our accessories, which is your jack and your tire iron. This is how it comes. And what you do is, this is kind of attached to it. So you just twist it towards you and that'll loosen it up. And it comes right out. So there's a hook right there. The hook's in there when you go to put it back. And then there's another hook on top that you put on top like that to tighten it. And I'll tighten it, and then you can do that. So now we have that like that. We're going to do this. And then you have a small cap that goes on top of this. Tighten that down. All right, now we'll grab our spare tire, lift it up, put this end down first, work your fingers on the screw, and place your tire in there like that. Get your retaining cap, put it on top of there, spin it all the way down, tighten it up, and that is how you put your spare back in, or how you take out your spare of your 2015 Ford Edge. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.